In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booksy in 2025, step by step. Booksy is a popular app for scheduling appointments with hairstylists, barbers, and beauticians, making it your go-to tool for booking personal care services with ease. Let's walk through how you can make the most of this amazing platform. First, let's focus on finding the right service for you. Within Booksy, you can explore a variety of services by clicking on categories like barbershop or hair salon, which will open up a world of options tailored to your grooming needs. It's designed to help you easily filter through the services available in your area. Whether you're looking for a new haircut or a pampering session, there's something here for everyone. Once you've selected your category, the next step is using the search functionality to book appointments with specific professionals. By typing what you need, such as hairstylists or barbers, you'll see a comprehensive list of available service providers. Booksy allows you to view their profiles, read reviews from other customers, and make the best choice based on your preferences. The idea is to ensure that your appointment suits your schedule while guaranteeing the quality you deserve. For business owners, Booksy has features to help grow and manage your business more efficiently. With tools designed to optimize your bookings and customer interactions, you can reduce no-shows and improve your client satisfaction. This is particularly advantageous for service providers looking to streamline their operations and focus more on their craft rather than on handling appointments manually. Booking and managing appointments in Booksy are more convenient than ever. The app not only helps you find the best available times, but also sends you reminders and allows you to cancel or reschedule if something comes up. This flexibility is especially useful if your schedule is unpredictable, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're covered no matter what happens. Imagine being able to book with the best rated professionals near you, right from your phone. You can explore and compare various specialists in your city, ensuring that you find an expert who meets your expectations. Booksy's abundance of options helps you make an informed decision based on location, service quality, and pricing, making personal care more accessible. Finally, Booksy's Recommended for You feature personalizes your search experience by suggesting specialists that best match your previous choices and preferences. This feature is a great way to discover new talents and services that you might otherwise overlook. With Booksy, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips for all your personal grooming appointments. So whether you're a customer looking for the best haircut or a business seeking efficient client management, Booksy is your perfect partner in personal care. Enjoy exploring all it has to offer.